Today is a proud moment for our Swarta municipality as we officially hand over our first responder task team vehicle, and for our law enforcement, our police officer.
It's one of the most important things that we are doing for the West Coast in terms of ensuring that we improve in terms of our response time for the purpose of ensuring that we bring better services to the community. We know we are doing this in the Swartland municipality, and also this vehicle is based in the Swartland municipality. We can always benchmark what we have already experienced. We can also talk on the experience so that other people that want to follow, they can learn from us. So we should not be afraid to be the people that are leading, because as you lead, you can show the other people that it can be done. Then we are improving as we move on in terms of that. In those few words, thank you very much.
Goeiedag, ek is Melanie Blankenberg, die bestuurder, Rambassuur Sentrum, Weskus Distriksmunisipaliteit. As die distriksmunisipaliteit is ons baie opgewonde om vandag deel te wees van hierdie inisiatief. Ons glo in samewerking en ons hoop dat hierdie inisiatief dan ook 'n veilige feesseisoen vir almal sal teweegbring.